iconic street food and classic home food. Let's make a home-style kanta poha in Philips OneChef. First things first, rinse the flat poha under water, drain and set aside. Today we'll use the special non-stick cooking pot for making poha. Press the power button, select stir fry mode followed by Veg Preset and press start. To the cooking pot, add oil. To the hot oil, add mustard seeds, peanuts, curry leaves, green chilies, onions and cook for about 3 minutes until onions turn translucent. Add the drained poha, turmeric powder, salt, little bit of sugar and mix gently. Lemon juice, coriander leaves, a splash of water, cover with a special glass lid and let cook for about 9 minutes on medium heat. And done. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with the lemon wedge, green chili and a sprig of dhania. And your favorite kanda poha is ready. Everyday comfort food made super simple with Philips OneChef. It's all you need.